Hi, yes ma'am. Can you make an announcement over the intercom for me now? I collected a lot of ice from the ice storm, and I'm outside selling big bags of it for just $1. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Hello? Yeah, they were supposed to make an announcement for me. Oh yeah, I just collected a bunch of ice from the ice storm, and I'm out by the garden center, and I got a bunch of big bags that I'm selling just for $1. Just ice. Yes ma'am. Okay, thank you so much. Oh man, this is the third call tonight for some dumb, stupid people that work at Walmart. How fucking retarded do you get? Now you know. Look, if you're retarded and you need a job, Walmart's the first place to go. They will hire you. They will hire you.